and especially Edureka's one was really like it caught my eye that okay, this is the one which is covering, which is clicking all the ticks that I want, and that's why
Hello everyone, welcome back to another inspiring episode. Today we have Subham Lakhera. Hi Subham.
Hi Dulce, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm also very fine, thank you.
Yeah. Firstly, I would like to thank you for joining in such a short notice.
Thank you for having me. My name is Shubham,
Yes.
and right now I'm working as an assistant manager in a cement manufacturing company. I have taken 4 courses from Edureka. And the first one is advanced certification in data science and AI, and a business analyst master's course, an AWS master's course, and also a advanced Java certification training as well. So I hails from MP, Madhya Pradesh, where
Okay.
I have done my
Yeah.
normal education and got job as well. So yes, that's all about me.
Okay, I'm glad to know that. So I just want to know how you got to know about Edureka.
Actually, I was previously interested in doing some of these courses, like some major certification program from any big platform out there. So one of my friend in my own company from HO, she suggested that you should look at like there is some good courses available from various IIT ventures that are there. And I was scrolling through Instagram and looking after what are the various courses that are available, and I found that Edureka's one was the best that was fitting to my needs. That's why I have selected that.
Okay, that I'm really glad to know that. I can see that you have taken the multiple courses. Just want to know why you think these courses are important.
Personally, if you ask me that what was my objective to get on to these courses is was since I had prior interest in data science, in programming, and making these projects and all, and I was previously working on the same in my company as well. A bunch of projects I did on my own by learning from YouTube or learning from following, reading some books and all,
Yeah.
but I was unable to present a complete picture. For example, if someone asks me that Shubham, this is the project, can you code it? So I won't be able to start coding itself.
Yeah.
So for me, the objective was to have a program where there I will be able to have the complete understanding that okay, what data science is all about, what coding is all about, what like these deep learning projects or whatever my requirement was. So how can I accomplish that? That's why I started exploring and I started looking after these courses, and I found that there are a bunch of courses available, and especially Edureka's one was really like it caught my eye that okay, this is the one which is covering, which is clicking all the ticks that I want, and that's why from there I got to know that okay, since in this one course I'm getting everything that I wanted, so I should not go and buy other courses that are there, which were like some parts that were there in other courses. Some parts were fine, but this was the one which covered all the points,
Yes.
everything that I wanted to learn. That's why I selected that.
Yes. Yeah, Shubham. I can see that you got certified in mastering Python, right? Can you explain, about the projects you have done in this certification program?
See, I have completed, I think my AI course, Python course. I was able to complete, and I have got certification in that. And as the classes were going on, I was able to complete the assignments on time. And I think I took some break before doing the major project. And doing those assignments was really fun. It was really like everything that was taught in our classes and all the notes that were available in the PDF format on our LMS, they were really helping us out to complete those assignments. And the projects were related to making like prediction models for various like movie prediction and all these reinforced learning methods that are there. Every method that was taught to us, there was an assignment related to it.
Yeah.
So I was able to practice that as well, which was really helpful in when you look at the whole picture, then all these small assignments were really helpful to get me through the complete course.
Yes, yes. As you explained about the projects and assignments, I'm just curious to know. See, in a college, we'll have the same situation that we, attend lecturing and all of it. Then after the job, once we get the job, it's completely whole scenario is different, right? Then again in Edureka, it is like somewhere you have to educate yourself. Then you have to be more disciplined and attend the lecturing, everything. How was this experience?
See, it happens with every other students that there are various roles we have to play at various times of our lives. When we are a student, then we have different mindset. When we are in college, then we have to complete our fun, but we also study. We have to study as well. But when we are
Yeah,
in job, that is the part where there we are making money, but yeah, we also think about, is this enough?
yeah,
And to be better tomorrow, you have to restrict yourself when it comes to in which thing you are investing your time right now.
mhm,
So I think for professionals as well, including myself, I think it's very important for us to be able to work on our skills, improving daily, at least develop one or two skill that you have that can make you stand out from others. That
yes,
was my goal as well. And coming from, like, I have done schooling and college and now a job as well. So the job requirement is very strict, that okay, this is to be done.
yeah,
But if you have the skills, like, Python, these data analysis kind of things, then you will be able to do the same thing in less time and with
yeah,
much more better visualization or data, or much more better results will be there if you can use these skills. So I think that is really helpful, or that which will make me, or which everyone who work on their skills will make them to stand out from others. And that is how you can ensure that okay, tomorrow there is a you will be ahead in your career.
yes, yes, definitely. I completely agree with you that in colleges we always get updated every day. We learn something new. But once we join the job, somewhere we have this question like, is this enough, or like we have to get updated and all of this. So there are so many people thinking to get updated, but are not motivated enough. So do you have anything to tell them?
Motivation, for me personally, motivation is like, I follow Elon Musk completely when it comes to motivation. There was a really good quote that he has, and I also have that on my desk, in my office.
Mhm.
That is, motivation does not work for me. What work for me is getting things done.
Yeah.
And regardless of how much time it is going to take, regardless of how much efforts it is going to take, what works for me is getting things done.
Mhm.
And when you go through this for a decent period of time, then the motivation automatically comes. Like, whenever a task will be assigned to you, and when you have this mindset, okay, this you have to get this done, and this should be by end of the day, or whatever the time period that is there. Using your skills, the motivation will push you forward, that okay, this task I can do it. If my boss will give me a 1 day time period, I will be able to do it in half
Yeah.
day.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that is where like this motivation jumps.
Yeah.
So I myself, like, I have built myself like, okay, okay, these skills are there. Whatever the task is going to come in front of me, I am better prepared for that. So that
Yes.
is what my motivation is all about. And I think everyone should be able to work on their skills, and as many skills as you have, and the level of expertise you have in that particular skill will definitely help you to grow the motivation that you want in your job.
Also, I want to know, you have completed the master in Python. How did you use the skills in your current job role?
To be honest, I was familiar with Python beforehand. So
Okay.
it was like uh, a bit on the easier level for me to go through all these assignments and complete the course. And I
Mm-hmm.
was already working on some of the projects that I developed for my firm as well. So I would like to share one project. There is a EPR portal that is there for cement manufacturing plant. So
Mm-hmm.
what the government has they have come up with a new guideline where there you have to upload all of your data that is related to your sales, related to your procurement of your waste. Like we co-process plastic waste, since
Yes.
in environment plastic is very harmful. And as a cement manufacturer, we sell our product in plastic bags, in cement bags, which are made up of plastic.
Yes.
So I used my skill in Python to create a script that helped to upload all of our sales data automatically onto the EPR portal. So that is the one project that I did. Another projects I have also done, like for deep learning projects in my plant, safety is one of the major areas where everyone have to take part. So I also developed one more deep learning model that detects whether a person is wearing helmet or PPE kit or safety shoes and everything or not. And after seeing these projects that I have developed, my management also asked me that can you also design a face detection as well. So I said, sir, I can design a face detection, but I need a lot of data for that. So currently, that since it was related to like personal data of everyone, of all the people in the plant, that's why it was shifted to number plate detection.
Yeah.
So these three projects that in my company I am doing. One is the done uploading all the sales data that my company is generating onto the APR portal, and another one related to the deep learning, and where I use the webcam or the cameras that are installed in my plant at various locations. So the feed from those camera goes through this model, and it detects whether a person is wearing helmet or not. If he's not found, if he's not wearing helmet properly, then it automatically shoots a mail that okay, such as this person was found at
Okay.
this location of the plant not wearing helmet. Uh,
Oh.
the face detection had to be integrated with that,
Hmm.
but since it required to collect data of a lot of people, that's why that was scrapped. But another project that was for number plate detection of the vehicles, so that all the vehicles that are coming inside our plant, we can have an inventory. Okay, what vehicle, like when it came into the plant, how much time it spent in the plant, and how and at what time it left the plant, so that we can optimize our plant and optimize our dispatch and optimize less time up truck has to take in the plant to get filled and go out. That all these three projects I have done.
Yes, yes. I must say, your journey is very inspiring, and thank you for being part of Edureka. So, in the end, I would like to know how was your overall experience with Edureka, and do you have also any advice to our, viewers?
See, my overall experience with Edureka is really amazing,
Mm-hmm.
and I think I have just completed one course, like one course, but still there are four courses that are going on,
Mm-hmm.
and I think by advanced course will go up to December. So still I have a lot of time to interact with all the teachers on Edureka and all the support that is there. And the best part, what I found about this whole course is the material and is the teachers that they have. Since
Mm-hmm.
all the teachers are industrial, like they are working professional and they have a lot of experience. So it really helped me to to resolve my like those doubts that I was having, which I was unable to find the solutions over the web. So there are a few doubts that are basic, like I can go on the Google, everything is available there, but I can search and find. But there are few times when I needed help. Edureka's teachers were really helpful for me, and I was able to also have some idea that okay, after completing all these courses, how will I be able to move ahead in my career? Which are the various areas that will be open for me, since I also possess these new skills as well. So that is really helpful for me, and I think in future also I'll be continuing joining these courses and better myself so that I can be moving ahead in my career. And the advice that I would like to give all the viewers that are watching this video is to never give up on whatever the skill that you are working.
Yeah.
Every day, if you can find 15 to 20 minutes to work or to watch the lecture or to work on your skill, that will be really helpful, because small efforts that you will do daily at the end of the day or at the end of the month or at the end of the year, you will see yourself that how far you have come along. So whatever the skill that you are trying to learn, just never give up onto it, and start adding few things, start talking to your friends and make groups, and just try to pursue your dream as much as you can. And if you have any of the aspirations, then this platform is there, which can be really helpful. I must recommend to everyone who is looking forward to get into data science or AI. This is the best platform that is there, because I have explored everything else, and I found this one best suited for me.
Great, great. I'm glad to know that. So, Subham Lakhera, thank you so much for sharing your wonderful journey with us and being here today.
Thank you, Tulsi. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, and thank you all for joining in and watching this video and taking our insights from Shubham. And we'll catch up with one more new inspiring episode. Until then, keep learning with Edureka. Have a great day all.